Hi everyone, it's Ben Malapile here, and today I'll be discussing why the wealthy do not flip property. Okay, so what is a flip, or what is to flip property? It's buying low and selling high. So what a flipper would do is they would get, let me say, a property worth 2 million and for 1.2, and then spend 300k fixing it up, and then sell it for 1.9, or sell it for 1.9. So since they spend 1.5 in total, and then they sell it for 1.9, they make a easy 400k off of the deal. So it's nice money, it's good money, but interestingly enough, wealthy people don't do that. Well, so simply put, wealthy people invest for cash flow and not for cash. Reason why is because wealth is measured in time and not in cash. So, for example, if it costs you 10,000 for you to live the life for you to pay your expenses, and let me say you had 100,000 just chilling in savings. So if you lose your job or whatever income stream that's paying your bills, how long is your wealth? See, I said how long because it's measured in time and not in money. So if your month-to-month expenses are 10,000 and you've got 100,000 in savings, well, then your wealth is 10 months long. So this is the difference between the middle class and the poor and the wealthy people, because the middle class and the poor are the ones who, when they actually do invest in property, they want flips, they want to make 400k now, they want quick cash. And on the other end, wealthy people actually aren't looking for that. They invest for cash flow. So wealthy people buy rental properties with tenants, and they buy properties which are cash flow positive, meaning that from the time that they buy, they in profit. Every single month they make money from that property. So why wealthy people choose to make 2,000 per month instead of 400,000 all at one go? This is because that 2,000 per month is going to come in for life. For as long as you've got that tenant, you're going to get 2,000 per month for the rest of your life. What's amazing is that you can pass it on to your kids, and they can pass it on to their kids, just as long as you've got a tenant. And a benefit to this is that each and every year rents increase. So in 10 years or 20 years time, it can become 4,000 per month instead of 2,000, which is what you got when you originally purchased. So these underlying factors are the reason why wealthy people look to invest for the long term instead of the short term. So this way they buy as many 2,000 rand properties as they can, which will accumulate to, let me say they buy 5 of those. If they simply buy 5 of those, they'll be making 10,000 per month, and then they're financially free because now they've got passive income that's paying for their expenses for life. They don't need to go to work every day. They don't actually even need to save any money, because every single month they've got 10,000 rand coming in that's paying their day-to-day living expenses. So I hope you too learn something from this, and also choose to invest in the long term, in the long run, instead of looking to flip. If you learned anything new, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, turn the post notifications bell on, and show this to anyone who you think needs to know this. And remember, secure the bag all day, every day, and twice on Sunday.